Section 39. This section is talking about a law that requires people to tell the police or a judge, called a magistrate, if they know about certain types of crimes that are happening or are going to happen. The types of crimes listed in this passage include offenses against the state, like trying to overthrow the government. Offenses against public peace, like starting a riot. Offenses related to illegal bribes. Offenses related to adulterating food or drugs. Offenses that affect life, like murder. Offenses of theft after preparation made for causing death, hurt or restraint in order to committing of the theft. Offenses of robbery and dacoity. Offenses of criminal breach of trust by public servant. Offenses of mischief against property. Offenses of house trespass. Offenses of lurking house trespass. Offenses relating to currency notes and bank notes. It says that if a person knows about one of these crimes happening or about to happen, they must tell the nearest police officer or magistrate right away, unless they have a good reason not to. The person would have to prove their good reason. And also it includes that if a person knows about a crime that is committed out of India but if committed in India would constitute an offence is also included in the law.